In this video, I'll show you how to fix Redmi Note 9 not charging problem. So if you're experiencing that your Redmi Note 9 is not charging, like it's charging or disconnecting, or even it's not charging at all, then here's the real guide of how you can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Was not to fix the problem, before you do anything, make sure to restart your phone once, because sometimes this problem commonly happens for the software glitch. Now to do that, you can press and hold your power button, and once you see this logo, you'll just need to tap on reboot and restart your device once. And once you get back, try charging your phone again. If you still have the problem, then follow the next process. In the next process, you just need to check out your charging adapter and cable. Because your charging adapter or cable is faulty, then you might have the charging problems. So you can take a different charger and try charging your phone again and make sure that the problem is not from the charging adapter and the cable. If you found that your charging adapter and the cable is all okay, but still your phone is not charging, then all you can do, you can go ahead and take a soft brush and gently clean the charging port of your phone. Because sometimes the dust and debris can stuck inside the charging port, and that might prevent your phone to charge. So just go ahead and clean gently, and right after that, go ahead and charge your phone again and try charging the phone. If you do it correctly, most likely your problem is going to be solved here. But this time, if you fail and found that your phone is still not charging, then this might be a hardware issue. In case, you just need to take your phone to the service center in order to get further assistance. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.